Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this week. I am so pumped about these releases because they're all like Eastery spring releases and I'm so pumped. Let's go ahead and get right into it. These will be available on Friday at noon Eastern in the main shop. I do have new Scribblers, which I'm so pumped for the designs for this next release going up on Monday, and I'll be showing those releases on Instagram for you guys, so check that out then. But let's go ahead and get started. This is the first Easter kit. Well, it's like our main Easter kit, and this is exclusive to our shop, so you won't see this art anywhere else. So we do have the freebie on front, which like last week, they are brand spanking new. Then you have your front page here with your deco, your flags, your icons and such. And then you have your three girls at the bottom, which the activities will change per sheet usually. And you have the little coffee girl, a shopping, and a nail girl. Then on this page, which is the functional page, in the background of the check boxes, there's like a sprinkle kind of glitter, which is super cute. And then you have the glitter weekend banner, glitter half boxes on the half box page, really cute patterned washi, your solid washi and little things. And then here is the ombre hair checklist with, again, that glitter sprinkle. Here are the full boxes, which this is just a really cute traditional Easter kit. Kind of fashion girly with the purse, but other than that, it's just kind of like a very simple Easter kit. And then I left the bottom washi pretty simple. It's like a rainbow kind of marble. You have an extra full box here, and then these are actually not date strips. They're actually date covers. I think that all of these have date covers, not strips. I think the last kit with strips will be the February mystery, which will be shipping on the 1st and will be in the shop on the 2nd. And I will be doing a video on that on the 1st as always. And I'm really pumped about it. And that's the last one with the strips. The rest of them have the covers. There's also a mini kit for this. All of the kits this week do have a mini kit option. So this is the Easter mini kit. So you have the same freebie, the same full boxes, and then the same functional page here. The mini kits usually do sell out the fastest. I do mention that every week. You have your half boxes, functional page, and then this page with the bottom washi and your small selection of really, really cute deco. There's like a little Yankee candle type candle there. It's super cute. And that is Easter. There are options for glitter headers and personal washi. Let me grab those. So these are the glitter header options. Super cute. This is my new favorite glitter texture right now. And then there's a la carte girls as well. You have a girl with dark, like blackish hair, brownish hair, blonde hair, and then also like a whitish pastel hair. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the personal washi, which is that like rainbow marble kind of look. So that is Easter, and again, that's an exclusive collection. You won't see that art anywhere else. Then there is Hello Spring, which is such a cute kit. Also could be used for Easter very easily with the bunnies and such, but I already like knew I wanted to use the other kit for Easter, so I knew I wanted to use this kit as well, so I wanted to kind of give it more of spring vibes with the art that was supplied. So really love this. Also, I've been kind of changing up these little, I know it's just the label on the front, but I used to do them for like years like this, and I've been just kind of like playing around with different fonts on the front, though it's just the sticker. I think it's kind of cute. So this is Hello Spring, and I love the gold with like the purples and pinks. It's just so cute. I did mute the colors of this art a little bit just because I kind of wanted that look for the spring. So then you have your girls. So these girls, there's a girl in a dress, a girl with nail polish, and then a girl holding a little package there. And you have your gold flags, and then just super cute deco. This is going to be great for sprinkling above the dates. It's such small, cute deco. And I think that you can use it other times as well with like the simple flowers and such. This one has a little bit of a different sprinkling of glitter. It kind of matches a little bit more of the patterns in the kit. You have your all gold half boxes. It matches like this sprinkling here. Adorable pattern washi, solid little things. And then here is a little bit better of a look at that sprinkling of glitter there. Then you have your full boxes. And I did initially have all these three girls like up, and you can kind of see their dresses, but I thought this was kind of cute and a little bit more subtle fashion girl, and I love the contrast of the darker color and the pink and then the white backgrounds. Super cute, and the bunnies are adorable. And then this one as well has the date covers instead of the date strips, so they'll be kind of like different date covers based on the kit. So this one, instead of having a pattern in the background, just has kind of like a gold outline. And I think that's going to look really, really nice. And then you have the really big bunny, because I wanted to make sure I included the bunny really big because it was really, really pretty. So that is Hello Spring. Again, I love these colors. I think they're so appropriate for spring and Easter time. Then there is the mini kit. So you have the same freebie, the same full boxes, the same functional page, and then this is the first mini kit exclusive page, and then the second one. Still a ton of deco up there for, you know, sprinkling above your sidebar or in your spreads. Super duper cute. So excited to use this one. I kind of already had like a pretty good idea of how I'm going to be doing my kits for spring. And April's my birthday month. I think, is Easter on April 1st, I think so. So I'm pretty pumped about that. And then I have, so I think it's like Easter, Scandal comes out, my birthday, and then Jessica's birthday's in there, and there's another holiday in there, I think, that I'm doing a spread for, but I don't remember what it was. I'm not sure, but super pumped. Then the same textured glitter headers. I love this glitter. I'm just like obsessed. I think it's so fun and like luxe looking. Then there's also the option if you want to add on the Fashion Girls, which are just so pretty and cute. I love them so much. And then there's also the add-on for the personal washi. So cute. So pumped about that and cannot wait to use it. Then last but not least, I do have Honey, which I'm so excited about. I honestly was, this is another kit that I wasn't going to use the art for. Like I said last time with the Good Vibes kit, I was like, I don't know, I might not use it. And then I like changed the colors of this kit a little bit, and I really, really liked it. I made them a little bit more muted and more towards the pink. And then they're like, I changed the green color to a little bit more of like a yellowish color. If you guys have seen the art, you can kind of tell like the difference, and I'm really, really pumped about this. It has like a cute little thing that you guys might have saw on Instagram. So you have the little sampler here, freebie. Then you have your deco, again, super small and cute for the top area. Your girls on the bottom are coffee, grocery, and then the little package. And then on this, I did in the backgrounds of the heart checklist and weekly little honeycombs, which I thought were really cool. It's like a little bit of a darker version of the color. And the colors are like a really cute muted baby pink, a cool toned like green, this really cool toned yellow, and then this like charcoal color. Then you have this rose gold accent, which I love, with the very neutral kind of cool tone colors. And then you have your pattern washi, which is adorable, your little things. And then here are your ombre heart checklist with that honeycomb design in the back. And then this is the full box page, which we'll come back to. And then your extra full box, you have another option for the girl here. And then again, with those date covers, having the rose gold around them and your washi there. I just wanted to show you guys my idea here. So I did show this on Instagram. A lot of you guys were so pumped about this. I did this blank. I was actually going to put the Scribble Prints Co logo in here, but I don't know like what all of a sudden I was like, no, monograms. So I thought it'd be cute to do a sheet of these as an a la carte item. You could totally just use like a Sharpie and kind of just write your letter in there, or like a pen, it doesn't matter, or write your favorite quote or whatever you want to do, or even a piece of deco from the front. That's a cute idea too. Like take one of these like little bees or like a flower or something, and you could totally pop that in there, the little tea, the little honeycomb. You could really put anything in there you want. You want to put like a foiled accent in there. You could get creative totally. But I am going to do these a la carte, and they're little, they match the like rose gold glitter monograms, so you could put your letter in there. So like for example, you can put the A on there. Do I want to put the A? Yeah, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh no, I need this for pictures, so I can't do that. So anyways, but you could just totally put any of the letters in here. They all fit perfectly. And then you can save the rest of them. Like I know I'm going to save these for like different birthdays. So like when it's like Kirsten or Jessica's birthday, I could just pull one of these K's or J's, or Bennett's birthday or anything. Or just like if I'm going to have lunch with Nick, I can grab the N and write lunch next to it, so I can use the other letters that are not A's, obviously. Super cute. Love this. I don't know if you guys know, but I actually had a really long obsession with taking pictures of bees and butterflies. So this was like a really fun little box for me, because obsessed with taking pictures of bees and butterflies, guys. Very obsessed. I need to get back into that this spring. Need to. Then there are options if you want to do the mini kit. Let me show you guys that real quick. boy, like, I'm really excited about this week's releases. So you have the same freebie, the same full boxes, the same functional page, and then here you have your half box page and then your bottom washi. And if I'm flipping through any of these too fast, I do put a picture of all of the sheets as the second picture of the listings on like the kits and stuff. So if you guys need to see that, that'll be on there. Then I do have the same textured glitter for the glitter sheet this week. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Then there's also girls, if you want to add these on. The only thing that I changed from the preview is I changed this girl's hair to pink because the purple, I was like looking at it, it didn't look right in the full spread with the purple, just because there's no other purple in here. I do have plans to do a girl with purple hair in the future, so I just changed her hair to pink, but you have lots of options here. And then you have your option if you want to add on the personal washi. And like I said, if you want to add on these rose gold letters, I love them so much. I think they're so pretty. And it just kind of gives like a little something that I think is like neat to the spread. Like I haven't seen anyone do something like that, and I was like really excited when I like thought of it. So that is everything for this week. I'm so excited about these releases. I'm going to be using every single one of these kits. I'm also going to be back into Plan With Me's I think next week. Don't hold me to it, but I have been posting pictures on my Instagram on SPC Plans if you guys have been missing my spreads. This is last week's spread, which turned out really, really cute. We went home for Bennett's Sip and See to Pennsylvania, and then this kit here, we came home on Tuesday, and I spent the rest of the week working a lot, pretty much. And then I am working on the next week currently, and I am filming that. It's just going to be filmed a little bit a different way, and then I'm going to be back to the normal programming. So I hope you guys like this week's video. These will be up in the shop again on Friday at noon Eastern, as always, and then I will have those new releases of Scribblers on MoreSPC on Monday. So stay tuned for those, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.